The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Portage County in northeastern Ohio, Northern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cuyahoga Falls, or near Akron, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Akron, Ravenna, Cuyahoga Falls, Kent, Hudson, Talmadge, Streetsboro, Mogador, Stowe, Brookfield, Fairlawn, Randolph, Monroe Falls, Lakemore, Atwater, Edinburgh, Silver Lake, Boston Heights, Deerfield, and Brady Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Portage, and Summit.
Why is
Tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Akron, Ravenna, Kent, Talmadge, and Mogador around 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Alliance around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Silver Lake, Brookfield, Brady Lake, Atwater, Edinburgh, Lineville, Lakemore, Deerfield, Randolph, and Monroe Falls.